How to change Swish limit in Swedbank. Log in to your Swedbank online banking account. Navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Look for an option related to Swish or mobile payments. Click on that option to access your Swish settings. Locate the option to adjust your Swish transaction limit. Depending on Swedbank's interface, you may need to select Manage Limits or a similar option. Confirm the change by following the on-screen instructions. You may need to authenticate your identity using a security code or other verification method. Save the changes once you are satisfied with the new limit. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.